I want you to clap for yourself because this means you are about to get some free money in your wallet. The first people are going to be funded by Yellow Card, a couple of dollars, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nkirote and this is Nkirote rebranded, also known as ONR. First of all, I want to plug you to all ONR platforms. If you're new on this YouTube channel, ONR is active on Instagram at Nkirote. If you want a snippet of my life, my tips, and how I just navigate business and YouTube, definitely follow us at Nkirote. And if you'd like to know all the services that ONR offers, definitely search ONRAfrica.com and you'll be able to find our website. Now let us get into this video. So first of all, welcome to part 2 of the Yellow Card series. We actually did our first video of the year a few days ago and it was introducing you guys to Yellow Card. I believe Yellow Card is a Pan-African crypto exchange platform that allows you to buy your crypto and store it and secure it safely on their platform. Guys, I am back again with part 2 of this video, and like I told you guys, part 2 has a lot of juicy things because in this video I will share with you guys how to buy, how to sell, how to trade on the app, and share with you guys the details of the giveaway that I promised you guys. So if you really watched part 1 and you're back for part 2, please stick to the end because I have a lot of amazing things in store for you. If you have not watched part 1 of this video series, please do. Basically all the nitty-gritties you need to know before you actually put money in a platform. So please guys, I urge you to start there. So if you already have done that, good job. Let's talk about how do you deposit money into the Yellow Card account. On the first page of your Yellow Card app, right, you're going to see wallet and then you're going to see deposit your money into the app. What you need to do is click the deposit part. Once you click the deposit part, you can now be able to load money into the app either through bank transfer or mobile money. Simply click on the bank transfer option, then select your preferred mode under the drop-down menu. You will see either mobile money or bank, and then follow the simple instructions as guided on the app, and you'll be able to load money into the account for you to buy your BTC or USDT fast and seamless. And then go back to the Yellow Card app and say, I made my deposit. Once you do that, you are good to go. Just let it stay like that, and then after a few hours or so, you're going to see a notification. You're going to see that the money has reflected. Once you have loaded money into the Yellow Card account, you can now proceed to buy your crypto on the platform. The only coins that are available are BTC and USDT. BTC is the largest cryptocurrency. I believe that I have actually taught and talked about this, but if you're super beginner and you don't know what BTC is, what USDT is, I can guide you to our cryptocurrency explained series on the channel. But if you want actually in-depth tips from me and a whole class that I taught for 2 hours or 2.5 hours if I'm not wrong, then definitely reach out to ONRAfrica.com, go to our courses section, and you'll see our beginner class where I explain everything possible that you might need to know about crypto. BTC is known as digital gold. It's a way people actually use to invest and store their money in the hopes of possible rise. That is what BTC is in very layman's language, but there's so much more to it, and that's why I'm sending you guys to relevant links for you to learn and understand what it is. USDT is a stable coin. As the name suggests, USD, it is essentially you buying a dollar but in digital form. So 1 USD is around 126, but now if you're buying it in digital form, it's probably 129. Somewhere there. So basically you're buying the dollar but in cryptocurrency form. So that is what in layman's language BTC and USDT are, and those are the 2 coins that are available on the Yellow Card platform. Once you've deposited money into the account and you want to buy BTC, I will show you guys how you're going to go through about that. It's very easy and very seamless, so let me walk you guys through that part. So guys, welcome to my yellow card app. We are about to buy some BTC, and I've actually seen that yellow card have sent me 2 USDT. I believe they are trying to encourage me to trade. So as you guys can see, they just sent me this, and yeah, I'm happy. 9 days ago. Thank you so much. 1 USDT token is being sold for 129 shillings. So ideally it's like you're buying the dollar in crypto form, and then for you to sell your USDT, they would allow you to sell it for 126. I have 300 shillings. I've showed you guys how I deposited into my account, and it was easy peasy. So I want to buy crypto. I want to buy BTC. So BTC rate is $21,000. You can see it has gone up 1.95% in the last 24 hours, and that is ideally by $400. Would you go about buying? Click trade, and then you see here you can buy Bitcoin with cash, sell Bitcoin for cash, send Bitcoin to someone, a phone, email, or wallet, and receive from another wallet. But in this video I'm showing you guys how to buy. So you can see here that 1 BTC is 2.72946,724, and I have available of 300 shillings. So let's see if we can buy at least 150, and then I'll say next, and you can see here that that is what I will be getting, and that is the price I am buying it at, and my payment method is Kenya shilling. I'll click confirm, and then I'm meant to enter my PIN. Just like that, your BTC is ready. I purchased 150 shillings, but I received 144 shillings worth of BTC. So I'm assuming the 6 shilling was transaction fees, because I believe there was a fee, or if not the fee, the conversion rate, right? So there was a conversion rate that has eaten my 6 shillings. You can also buy USDT in the same way. So now let me show you how to sell on the platform. So I decided to sell USDT. Shout out to Yellow Card, they did send me $2 into my account, showing you guys how I sold my USDT, and basically just swapping my USDT into Kenya shillings. However, because I have been given USDT by Yellow Card, I want to show you guys the sell option. So you can see 1 USDT is selling for 126, right? And I have 248. So let me try sell it. So I'm gonna put 248. You want to put it in USDT form, you can swap and put it in USDT form. Maybe you want to put it in Kenya shillings form, you can do that as well. And then you can also put max. Max is basically just sell everything in my account. You can also click the max function. So I'm going to leave it in USDT. So how much USDT would I like to sell? I want to sell 2 USDT. Say next. So they're saying I'll receive 252 shillings. Voila, guys, my USDT has been sold, and I have received 252 shillings and 1 cent, or is it 10 cents, in my account. So as you guys can see, it's pretty easy to use the Yellow Card wallet, Yellow Card app. That is how you buy crypto on the Yellow Card app, and that is also how you sell crypto on the Yellow Card app. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this part of the video. So if you are looking to invest into the crypto, definitely invest using Yellow Card. It is very simple, it's very seamless, especially if you've been trying to find a simple exchange platform. This is one of them. I've showed you guys how to buy, I've showed you guys how to sell. Pretty easy, very straightforward, almost immediate, and I recommend. You want to withdraw money from your Yellow Card account, what you're going to do is, if you have swapped maybe BTC and USDT back into Kenya shillings, go to your wallet and click the Kenya shilling account, go straight to withdraw. You will be asked to fill in your bank details and also the amount that you want to withdraw. Please note that there is a withdrawal charge. For withdrawing 300 shillings, I was charged 80 shillings. So ideally, I received 220. So please note that. I keyed in my bank details. However, I received my money through mobile money. So yeah, that's something that I realized. I was asked for my bank details. However, I did actually receive money in my mobile money. So yeah, that is how you withdraw. Very easy, very seamless. And yeah, that's pretty much it. mention as we wrap this video up, and one of them is YellowPay. YellowPay is a function on the YellowCard app. I showed you guys in the previous video. Down there you're going to see pay, and basically what it does, it helps you move money across borders instantly with no fees. So if you're trying to send money to all the countries that YellowCard is available in, you'll be able to send money to other countries without any fees, but this person also has to have a YellowCard account. So basically enjoy free local and cross-border transfers, easily track all payments and do more. So you can see here guys, this person is sending 800 Nigerian Naira because he has that in his wallet, and then the other person will be receiving 100 Kenya shillings. So essentially guys, if you have friends in other countries that you'd like to send money to or receive money from, or just even try this and let us know if it's working as perfectly as I think it is, definitely give it a try. If you have friends in Malawi, Cote d'Ivoire, all the countries that I mentioned in the previous video, try this YellowPay feature and ask your friends, wait, can I send you some money? Do you have an account on YellowCard? Please try it out. Send them your referral link as well so that you earn from that transaction, and then use it and see how it works. So I haven't used it yet, but when I do, I will come and update you guys in the comment section. The second thing that I love about YellowCard is YellowCard Academy. Information is power, okay? And even as I'm encouraging you guys to sign up on the platform, to use my link, I believe before you put your money in anything, you do actually need to know why you're putting money in that particular thing, and that's why ONR is also about knowledge. Please feel free to visit YellowCard Academy, and they have a very amazing set of articles that can guide you throughout the whole beginner journey of you learning about cryptocurrency, blockchain, and financial literacy. So definitely go to the website. It is not on the app. I don't think I saw this on the app. It's on the website, yellowcard.io, and then go to get started, and then you're going to see a whole myriad of literally articles, and the beauty about it is they are arranged in topics. So there's cryptocurrency, there's blockchain, trading and investing, financial literacy, and security. Something that also many people ask me, Olive, do you trade or do you invest? And I'm like, guys, I don't trade, I do investing. So if you would like to understand those nitty-gritties, then just take some time and visit the yellowcard.io website and go to YellowCard Academy, and you're going to learn all that. Also, another beautiful thing that they have done is they've arranged these articles according to beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So you can honestly just choose, go to one of the topics, choose beginner, go to another topic, choose intermediate. And there are so many topics at the academy. There is blockchain, crypto, Bitcoin, trading, investment, Ethereum, DeFi, stablecoin, security, finance, metaverse, technology, NFTs, everything that can help you get started. So guys, feel free to visit YellowCard Academy. I hope I've set you guys up for success, and one thing that I'd like to let you guys know is you might watch this video and do nothing about it, or you might watch this video and do something about it, and trust you me, the guys who do something about it are the ones who reap the best returns. So please don't just consume and don't implement. So guys, that is pretty much it for my two-part series. I hope you guys have really enjoyed it. Shout out to YellowCard for partnering with ONR. Now, if you've reached till the end of this video, I want you to clap for yourself, because this means you are about to get some free money in your wallet. For the giveaway, first of all, I want you to know that it only applies if you've signed up using our referral code. YellowCard will be tracking our referral code, and if you did not sign up for our referral code, unfortunately, yeah. And first thing, you have to have downloaded the app and signed up using the ONR referral code, okay? Our number is on the screen, and if you want a link, I've linked it in the description and comment section. The second thing for you to qualify is you have to KYC. You really have to verify your account. I showed you guys in video 1 how to do KYC, and it's very simple, especially for tier 1. I used my ID, I did a selfie, and that was it. So please ensure that you've done your KYC. And then the third thing this is just for ONR. I want you to like this video, but I also want you to comment one thing that you're excited about Yellow Card. So maybe you're excited to buy your first Bitcoin, or rather fraction of a Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin is 2.7 M, okay? So maybe you're excited to buy a fraction of a Bitcoin. Maybe you're excited to go to Yellow Card Academy and learn. Maybe you're excited to try out Yellow Pay because you have a few friends across the border that you can send money to. Definitely, guys, comment down below what you're excited to do. So now, once you do those 3 things, I want you to head over to ONR's email, cryptooli.onr@gmail.com. I repeat, cryptooli.onr@gmail.com. Definitely write to me an email and say, hi Olive, I have watched the 2-part series. I did everything that you said. I signed up. I did my KYC. I did like the video. I am definitely subscribed. Okay, I am definitely subscribed. I will check my records, and I've also commented what I'm excited about. And then leave your Yellow Card account details. Leave your name, let's say both your names, the ones you used to sign up on the account. Leave your email, the one that is linked to the account, and also leave your phone number, the one that is linked to the Yellow Card account. And let me tell you, the first 20 people are going to be funded by Yellow Card. A couple of dollars, guys, a couple of dollars into the accounts, by your BTC, by your USDT. It is a gift from Yellow Card and ONR. So guys, that is it for today's video. I want to say shout out to Yellow Card. Thank you for sponsoring these 2 videos, and also thank you for creating a platform that is pan-African, that is simple, that is easy, that is also educative, and makes crypto investing pretty easy for so many beginners all over Africa. Otherwise, I'd like you guys to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. And before you go, guys, I want you to take a pause. Don't go far. Take a pause, especially if you're a beginner. Go watch this playlist. It's called the Cryptocurrency Explained playlist. Start your journey from there, and let me tell you, you're gonna love it.